Now you gotta hit it real hard. That's, make it go around. There you go. You push it real hard so it goes around. There.
Good job, Madeline.
What's hard?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, and here comes a kitty.
Meow.
Yeah. He's little. Very gentle.
Tail.
Yeah.
Tail.
Uh-huh.
Tail.
Look at that tail. Oh, if he goes in the street, we gotta just let him go. We can't follow.
He's kind of skinny guy, isn't he?
Yeah.
And the red car.
Yeah, he went
the
under
red
the
car,
car.
There's a carabao.
Okay. Then you gonna hit it.
Woo! Ooh, that was a big hit. That's really good. It got you.
Good job, man. You got it going again. Giving it a huggy or squeezy? Oh dear.
That's cute, honey.
Not how hygienic that is, but oh well.
Yeah.
Guess it got washed off today with the rain.
Pushing? Is it squishy? Probably pretty firm, huh?
You're silly.
Here comes the kitty.
Get some drama going here. This will be an action-packed video, this one.
Meow.
Yeah.
Hey, gotta be quiet, you scare them.
Oh, very good touching, honey.
Tail.
Yeah, look at that tail. It's long, huh?
Tail long.
Be real gentle.
It was kind of fun. Oh dear. Poor cat just wants to lay in the sun.
Yeah. Madeline, stay on the sidewalk, sweetie.